Hi, sweet stampin' friends. Debra Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And guys, I am excited to share with you a sneak peek of the June Sweet Creations Club. We're going to be playing with the Cheerful Basket bundle. So I wanted to take a few minutes and show you the projects that you'll be making in your project kit. Now, if you are part of my Sweet Creations Club, there is nothing more that you need to do. You are all set, and just sit back and relax and just wait for your kit to arrive sometime later in June. Now, for those who are not familiar with my Sweet Creations Club, it is a monthly subscription club, a craft kit that you can enjoy a project kit each month featuring a particular bundle. And it includes the pre-cut project supplies. You will need to stamp and cut some of the pieces. There's about $20 in Stampin' Up! Products, PDF tutorial, and it includes first class shipping if you need it shipped to you. Now the cost is $39 per month. Like I said, it does include that first class shipping. Now if you live here locally in San Antonio and want to join us to craft in person or pick up your kit, you can forego that shipping, and the cost is $34. Now, if you just want to try it out for 1 month, I do offer a non-subscription option for $39. So let me go ahead and share with you the projects that you'll be making in the June kit. They're super cute. So I'm going to turn my camera down so you can take a look at them. All right. So as I said, we're using the Cheerful Basket bundle. And when I saw this in the new annual catalog, it went straight to the top of my list because I love all the little interchangeable things that you can put in the basket. So just wanted to show you close-ups of each of the projects. I love that little kitty poking out of the little basket. I got this card. And we have this really cute one. I like this. You can use it for every day, or you could adapt it for Valentine's. Then we have this. This is a really simple fun fold card. You can prop it up. And then we have this really cute basket. Now I found these little baskets at Hobby Lobby. They were on sale, and I was so thrilled to find them. I think they're adorable and perfect for this project kit. You also you'll receive the basket, and you will receive this little gingham insert and some little green apple sour balls. Now, I didn't include as many sour balls as I was hoping to because they're kind of heavy, and it was going to go over my weight limit for postage. So anyway, your project kit will include all the pre-cut supplies to make these 5 projects. It will include about $20 in Stampin' Up! Product. You'll receive that PDF tutorial to put all your projects together. But there are some products that you're going to want to own in order to complete the projects as I have designed them. So let me tell you what those are. That is going to be, like I said, mainly that Cheerful Basket bundle. The bundle includes the stamp set and all these really cute dies to cut out your stamped images. You'll want to have some adhesives. I recommend having dimensionals, some mini glue dots, and either a tape or the multi-purpose liquid glue. Now the fun part, all the inks. The main ink you need is you're going to want to have the Tuxedo Black Memento ink pad. And the reason for that is we're going to be using a lot of Stampin' Blends to color in these stamp designs. Now there are several blends we're going to be using, but don't get too concerned. If you have similar ones, you can substitute those out. So I will share with you what I used, and then you can check your stash, see if you have them or if you need to order them or if you have something similar. So let me tell you what we have. The main one that I definitely recommend you have is the Sweet Sorbet. That is one of our new in colors, and it matches perfectly with the papers that you'll be using in the projects. I use Flirty Flamingo. Now, if you have a lighter or similar light pink, you could substitute that out. We have Parakeet Party. This is another one of our new in colors. Now, if you have Granny Apple Green, you could use that instead. We have Daffodil Delight, but if you have So Saffron, you could substitute that out. We have Smoky Slate. You could substitute that out if you have a similar gray. And we have Crumb Cake, and then Soft Suede, and that is for the basket. So as you can see, we have a lot of blends that we're using. So kind of check your stash, see what you have. see what you have that you could substitute with. Now, any of these suggested products, if you would like to order them, when you order them through the registration link, then I will cover the cost of the Stampin' Up! Tax and shipping for you. Now, if you're part of my Sweet Creations Club, later in May, I will send you an email with the option to add these on and do a self-checkout for that. So guys, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. Now, if you're wanting to do the 1 month non-subscription, the registration for that does close on June 5th. If you're wanting to subscribe to the Sweet Creations Club, again, that registration will also close on June 5th. And typically I would mail out the project kits by the 20th of the month. However, I'm going to be going on vacation in June, so I'm going to make sure and have the project kits out to you by June 15th. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed doing this project kit. I would love to prep one for you. And if you have any questions, reach out. Take care. Bye, guys.